When you visit the Expo 2020 Dubai and you pass by the greenest pavilion, it is the Singapore Pavilion. The concept of a Singapore Pavilion really is to address the issue of sustainability. And in Singapore, we here, the pavilion is like a striking recreation of Singapore tropical urban landscape. First of all, Singapore is very small. It's a city-state. So it's not just a city, it's also a country. In many of the cities, they have a countryside that can provide airport, reservoirs, and what have you, but we cannot. We have to preserve everything within the city-state, and we're only about 726 square kilometers, so we are very limited by land constraint and natural resources. We need nature. We need to integrate the nature into the built environment. Our theme is nature, nurture, and future. And nature, of course, reflects the biophilics, plants, and architecture coexisting together. Nurture is important because it's all about the collective human efforts behind maintaining the precious balance between people, urbanization, and ecology. If we can create such a large tropical garden for 6 months within an unlikely desert condition, what does it mean to everybody? It means that we're able to create a city that is sustainable, resilient, and livable anywhere on Earth. All you need to do is to integrate nature, architecture, smart urban technology, smart city. You will be able to make the world a better place to be.